Drone.
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 Drone can be a noun, a verb or a name. As a noun, drone can mean 1. A male ant, bee or wasp, which does not work but can fertilize the queen bee. 2. Someone who does not work, a lazy person, an idler. 3. One who performs menial or tedious work. 4. A remotely controlled aircraft, an unmanned aerial vehicle UAV. 5. A low-pitched hum or buzz. 6. One of the fixed pitch pipes on a bagpipe. 7. A genre of music that uses repeated lengthy droning sounds. 8. A humming or deep murmuring sound. As a verb, drone can mean 1. To kill with a missile fired by unmanned aircraft. 2. To produce a low-pitched hum or buzz. 3. To speak in a monotone way. As a name, drone can mean surname.
We had the genesis of an ocean drone.